The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.
Hi, I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. The Nevada Department of Transportation and the RTC are working together to not only improve the Spaghetti Bowl, but also other parts of the major interstates throughout the Reno and Sparks area. Here to give us an update is NDOT Public Information Officer Meg Reganese. Thanks so much, Meg, for being here with us. So tell us about some of the improvements that are planned.
Well, you know, Annie, the Reno-Sparks population has more than tripled since the Spaghetti Bowl was first constructed in the early 1970s. Right now, we're fast-tracking plans to expand Spaghetti Bowl ramps and improve our metro interstates to keep the Truckee Meadows moving more safely and smoothly for decades to come.
Now, you've held 2 public meetings about this project. Let's talk about what's the latest.
So we gathered a lot of valuable public input from those meetings. We've also gathered feedback from stakeholders and local elected officials. We have incorporated that feedback into preliminary design concepts for freeway improvements, and we've actually also modeled the future projected traffic levels and how quickly and smoothly that traffic will be able to travel through those roadway designs. And we're also evaluating other elements of those designs too right now, such as air quality as well as traffic noise.
And how can people in the community find out more information about the project?
You know, this is all being done to keep the Truckee Meadows more safe and connected, and we want to keep the community updated. Viewers can visit ndotspaghettibowl.com to provide input or to gather updates, and we'll also be holding future public meetings as well to keep everyone updated.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Meg, for all the latest information. Again, if you'd like to learn more, ndotspaghettibowl.com. You can also visit rtcwashoe.com to stay up on the latest information in your area. Join RTC on Facebook and on Twitter. I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. Thanks so much for watching. This is your RTC.
The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.